right, I just got my pistons back from the machine shop, and I start looking at the part number and the box, and I realize the pistons are for a 350 and not a 327. So first thing Monday morning, I am going to have to take those back, and hopefully we can expedite something so I can start to put the engine together, because we are running out of time. In the meantime, we decided to look at some of the rust on this, and it is worse than we thought. So right now I'm doing some metal work. This is one of the pieces that we cut out. I am making some repair pieces that have that same shape. So that's what I'm using as a sizer. I'm going to use Restoration Shop black epoxy primer. It's a 1-to-1 mix. So I forgot to bring 2 cups because I was going to mark them both the same and mix them in one. So I'm just going to eyeball it and make it roughly 1-to-1. Really thicken the bottom. This is what I tried rolling onto the Pontiac. Flasher reducer. There we go. All right, so here's the part. Someone already patched it from the inside and pop riveted. I'm gonna weld those or grind those pop rivets out. And then these pieces are going to go on here.
Race day's just around the corner and we're still welding and painting instead of tuning. But that's what happens when you don't even know what size engine you're going to be running. Stay tuned for the next episode when we figure out what exactly this engine is going to be and try to get it ready in time for race day. Like and subscribe if you like this type of content. We'll see you in the next one.